Physical changes, crushing a can, melting an ice cube, boiling water.
Okay, children, while Annette is reading, if you have written the same activities, then you just tick it. And apart from what Annette is reading, you have something else, different action or different change you have written, you should tell me. Okay, so those who got same answer, you just tick it by yourself. Okay. Ma'am, I have some another one which she did not say. You raise your hands, then I will, so that others can hear that answer and that also they can write. Okay, that's what. Yeah, continue, Annette.
Mixing sand with water.
Okay.
Breaking glass.
Yeah. That's all. Okay. Anyone separate from is okay. Shane, read your answer.
I have separate from her.
Huh?
Shredding paper, chalk.
I
have two different in physical change. Shredding paper and chopping wood.
Okay, shredding paper, chopping wood. Anyone else have some other answers apart from here, or you did not write, only these two people wrote? What is exactly? Advait, did you write?
No, ma'am.
That is why I understood. This is the thing what is going to happen. I can say only Annette, Sean. Who else? Nihal, did you write?
Ma'am, chop. Ma'am. Chop vegetables.
Yeah, okay, okay. Nihal, do you have, did you write the physical changes?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Read. Which is different from Shane and Annette. You have something, you read.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, crushing a paper glass.
Okay. Crushing a paper glass. Advait, just now, who else did not write? Just raise your hands. Who did not write? I am sure Sharangdas will not be written. Correct? Did you write physical change, Sharangdas? Did you write the homework? Dion, did you read? Did you write?
No, ma'am.
Very good. Sharanya, did you write? Did you write? Arav, did you write? No. So Sarang did not write. Okay. That means only few people. Just now write and show me the paper. All of you just write. I'll wait. Write any 5 physical and 5 chemical change. Majority of you did not write. That's a punishment. Just now write. All of you. I will wait. What's the point of me going on taking class? Okay, Shane and Annette, no need. Because those who wrote, no need. Others. Akash and Avinash, did you get my point? Did you write? Physical and chemical change. Show the paper.
I didn't write chemical.
You didn't write chemical. Why? Think and write now. I'll ask you. Think. No. Think. Simply you can't. Naveen, did you write 5 physical changes? Did you write 5 physical changes?
No, ma'am.
No. Now sit and write now. Others all are writing now. Now you have to write and show me. Chemical don't write, only physical you write. Chemical we will discuss later. Those who wrote physical, just to show me the paper. All of you. Shane and Annette and Nihal. Only 3 did not write. I mean all 3 wrote, except others, just show me. Okay. Okay, Nihal. Yeah. Others, show your paper after finishing it. Noel, checking a paper? Checking a pen?
No, pen.
I understood. These are the same thing. I understood. No pen, nothing. Now you off the video, okay? Yeah. Okay, Mariam, good. Maria writing on the textbook. No paper, no pen here, Mariam. Why you wrote on the textbook? Huh? Right? Copy again. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy, okay? You all are sitting at you. Okay, Amy, correct. Correct. I can see very well if you show the paper. Correct, Amy. Okay, Shane John. Yeah, correct, correct.
Ma'am,
Yes, Nihal?
chemical I have only got 4, okay?
Okay, no problem. After they write, I will make you to read chemical, okay? So they will get an idea. Physical means shape, size, anything changes. That will be the physical, okay? So you have to think that way.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yeah, I can see. Yes, Azara. Yeah, okay, okay. Advait, show nicely. Advait. Yeah, Mariam, correct. Good, good. Little more. Okay, okay, Advait. Mehul, write fast. 5 physical changes. Some of you must have heard also while Shane and Nihal and all Annette was giving. So remember, memorize that and write.
Melting of ice is physical.
Yes, correct. Melting of ice is a physical.
Melting of ice is chemical.
No, it is a physical.
Physical only, right?
It's physical, not chemical. If you melt the ice,
Okay.
only its size changes, not taste, smell, nothing changes.
Ma'am.
Water,
Okay,
taste.
Breaking a chalk powder.
Yes, correct.
Ma'am.
Breaking a chalk powder, alla, breaking a chalk. Okay. Yes?
Heating an iron object.
Who is saying that? Sound is very feeble.
Azhara.
Huh?
Sara.
Asra, tell me, Asra.
Heating an iron object.
Heating an iron. Heating an iron. Heating an iron.
Heating an iron object.
Iron object, yeah. Heating an iron object is not physical, it's a chemical. Okay.
Ma'am, rusting iron is chemical, right?
That also chemical. Heating an iron. Okay, Akash. Only one book for both of you. One book for both of you.
That I write here.
Two of you sitting, two of you should write, not one person writing. Okay, Shiva Krishna, correct, tearing, okay. Okay. Yeah, Nihal. You are saying something? Say.
Ma'am, now we can see.
Ma'am, I write it.
You write, show. Write it, or I want to see. Okay. Dion. Okay. Sarang? Sarang, did you complete?
Ma'am,
Yes, Maria.
burning a stick is chemical, right?
Burning a stick is chemical.
Burning wood.
Burning wood is a chemical.
Ma'am, cooking an egg. Cooking.
Cooking is chemical. I'll tell you why it is chemical, okay? Burning also chemical. Burning also chemical.
The burning of a plastic.
Burning of plastic chemical. Anything which is burning is chemical. I'll tell you why it is so. Yes?
Growth.
Cooking vegetable.
Cooking vegetable also chemical.
I'm burning a candle.
Burning a candle is a chemical. Physical means you only think about physical, you think only shape, size changing. And it is taste never changes. Taste never changes.
I'm breaking a toy.
Breaking a toy. Yeah, okay.
Ma'am, human
Physical
growth.
change means only physical appearance is changing. No color. Okay, Mehul, correct. Mixing of what is that? Mixing of? No, you hold before how you are holding. Now it is blurred. Before you how little far away, Mehul. Little far away hold. Sure. Yeah. Mixing of, what is that? Mixing sand and water. Okay, correct. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you see the,
Diya's iron rust is a chemical. No, Diya, you are writing chemical. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am,
yes, ma'am.
Sarang, I did not see your paper so far. Sarang, Das. He never listened. Felix, what happened to your video? Vijay?
ma'am,
Yeah, Nigel, write 5 physical changes and give me.
ma'am,
Ah,
the growth is chemical or physical, right? Growth.
growth is physical, also is there chemical, both are there. Okay. So
Okay.
that is a rare case. Yeah? Okay, children. Yeah. So next time, Nigel. So you are joined late. You give me any 5 physical change, Nigel. You don't write, you give me any 5 physical change. Example.
Ma'am, can I ask you a doubt? Melting.
Yeah, you can ask. Let Nigel give me answer. Give me examples of physical change, Nigel. No answer.
Ma'am, what is the question?
Write any 5 physical changes.
Ma'am, physical changes means on our body, right?
Body, shape or size changes. Not only our body, any object. Okay. Any object, shape or size changes, it will be physical change. Actually, in this textbook, we have only this thing to learn. Physical change and chemical change. There is not much to learn. If you don't understand that properly, what's the point of using? And this is term 1 portion. Term 1, first 2 chapters, you don't have to study. So you have to only study heat, acid and base, physical and chemical change. You don't have to study first 2 chapters for term 1 exam.
Digestion of it is a chemical.
Okay, ma'am,
change,
it's
right?
chemical. Okay, Mariam. Okay. Yeah.
I'm breaking a pencil.
Breaking a pencil is a physical. Yeah. Correct.
Breaking of magnet.
Yeah, breaking of a magnet is a physical. Correct.
Cutting vegetable into small pieces.
Yes. That is a physical.
Melting of wax.
Melting of wax is chemical. I'll explain to you. Okay, children. I think Naveen, show me at least 2. Any 2, Naveen? Yeah. Okay, Noel. Okay. Vijin, are you there? You keep one photo and went out or what? Huh? Come on, video. Yeah. Okay. Keep little far away, Vijin. Keep far away from the camera. Okay. Felix, okay, correct. Naveen, breaking of glass. Okay, good. So I think more or less now everyone understood what you mean by the physical change. So from this, what we understand means physical change means only physical properties changes. That means shape, size. Another point, some of you have written boiling water, melting of ice. That is also physical. Why? If ice melted, will the taste of the water changes?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Once, yeah, it will not change. Even the same ice, you keep it in the freezer or fridge, it will turn into ice again. Or correct. And water, same water, you boil and get evaporated. Then it is condensed and fall. You taste it. It is same. Rainwater has the same taste of the water which was you used. So that is the reason there is no taste change, nothing. So it is a pure physical change. Clear? And another one more point, physical change is that you can change a solid substance into liquid substance into a gas substance. Clear? Can I tell you chapati, making chapati? Yeah. Making chapati is a chemical, but making that dough, taking the powder and you make it a ball, that is making a dough, that is physical. But cooking chapati, vegetable, chicken, fish, anything, alfam, kurimandi, whatever it is, your favorite delicious, yeah, some of you like it, noodles, vegetable, yeah, puri, parota, all these things, okay, parota, all these things are, once it cooked, it is a chemical change. Why? Anything you fry it, anything you cook it, what is happening? Some of the nutrients inside of that food is turning into some other substances. Okay, for example, frying chicken. Cooking chicken or chicken curry and chicken fry will have the same taste? No. They both are giving you different taste. That means there is a chemical change taking place inside the chicken. That means with what substance, what atoms or molecules where the chicken was made up of, or what are the things hen or cock is made up of, that is turning into some other new substance. So in physical change, we are not getting a new substance. You make ice into water, water into ice, the substance is same. It's water. Water is the mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. Mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. You take the ice, then also it's a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. So it is actually chemical changes means something which is happening inside that substance. Okay. As I said, melting of wax. Yeah. Some of you say that we can make the wax into candle. Correct? No? Correct?
Yes,
yeah, someone called me, ma'am. Tell me, children, tell me, what's the problem?
We can say the chemical change means the change of the taste, and physical change means the change of the appearance.
Change of the appearance. Okay, that is only one feature. Okay, it's a chemical change, physical change. It is not only one feature. So many features: shape, size. Okay, then mass. A wood is cut into small pieces. So each piece have a different mass. Different mass means weight. Okay, so it is not only the appearance. Okay, it is not only appearance. It's mass, volume, density. So these are the some of the physical features. Density means the heaviness. A wood is more heavier than a small piece of that wood. Same wood. You cut a mango branch. Then cut that branch into small pieces. The weight of each small piece and weight of one branch, is it same? No, it's not same. So physical means mass can be changed. Volume can change. Density can be changed. Thickness, heaviness. You can cut a wood into different way. Either you cut like a round shape, you cut rectangular shape, you cut into small pieces, you can cut into cylindrical shape, any shape you can change, correct? Okay, but wood is same, its texture, its content, whatever it is same, so only that mass is changed. That is the difference between physical and chemical. So when you cook the food, actually chicken is turning into something. When you fry a puri, it's a atta. We are making from atta, the chapati, puri, and so many snacks. You can make the samosa, you can make so many vada, something like that. So many patiri, all our things are there. But look at, once you same flour, you are making to different substances, a new product. You are getting a new product. But wood pieces is not a new product. Okay. Similarly, wax is melting. Yeah. You tell ma'am, we can turn that wax into candle. Of course, you can make the candle. Will you get the same candle? Will you get the same color? Did you get that? No. No. After melting the wax, you make a candle. Will you get the same white color? Will you get the same texture? No. Yeah. So it's a new candle. Yeah, you are getting a candle, but the problem is, after burning it, some color changes. Sometimes it will be very muddy color you get. No, not like when you buy a candle, you will get a pure white candle, pure color candle. You have color candle also. But after burning it, you are not getting exactly same color or same thing. Yeah, you can make candle. But that is not a physical, it's a chemical. Okay, it's a chemical. Because once the candle burns, carbon monoxide produces. Correct? Carbon monoxide produces. And the thread inside the candle is now black. So when you want to make a new candle, you have to put another thread into it. You cannot use the same thread. That is already burned and gone. Burned and gone. Did you get that idea? Why wax is not a physical change? Because of some changes, the chemical thing is changing. Okay, so that's the meaning of it, the physical and chemical change. So chemical change means you will get a new product. When you burn a wood, you are getting ash. Is ash and wood has the same features?
Yeah, ma'am.
No. Understood?
No,
So
ma'am.
now understood what do you mean by the physical change, chemical change
Ash
better?
is turned to
Yes, ma'am.
powdered form and it is black color.
That's what. So total texture is changing. So we can now write the main features of physical changes. So whatever you have given the examples, you are going to learn the physical changes, 3-4 points. What is the peculiar feature of a physical changes? First point, only physical properties, only physical property. Physical properties, another word we use is features. Features means its characteristics, features, characteristics. Physical properties, features such as shape, size, mass, volume, area, etc. We can write so many. I stop here. Changes. Physical properties or features such as shape, size. This also it can be write it as the difference between chemical changes and the physical change. Okay. Only physical properties or features such as shape, size, mass, volume, area, etc. change. Second point is that, second point we can say substances can transform into solid, liquid, gas, etc. according to the situation. According to the situation. You have to make a situation like melting of ice. You have to take the ice and keep it outside. Then it starts melting. So substances can transform into solid, liquid, gas, etc. according to the situations. Why are you talking? Fighting? Who is fighting there? Akash? Avinash, are you fighting?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Next, no new products are formed. 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 Fourth one, physical changes are reversible. Not all, but still we can say some of the changes are reversible, just like ice into water. So for that example, ice into water and water into ice. But if you cut the wood, we cannot make it the wood pieces together, correct? That cannot be. But some are reversible, not all. Okay, just like if you make a chapati powder, make a dough, then dry the dough, and then make it powder again. You can get the
Melting ice cream.
That's I told.
Milk
Ice
into
into
gold.
water into milk into boil. Can we boil milk into again? We cannot make it, no?
No, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
Water.
chemical.
Boiled water. Milk into curd.
Milk into curd. Milk into curd is a chemical reaction because it's a purely new product. We always say thairum palum nammal different aayitalle parayunne. So that's a new products are formed. So in this case, no new products are formed. You are getting the same, only the color changes. Just like a black forest cake. Okay, you take a black forest cake, cut into small pieces, make into powder. But if you eat a piece of cake as well as powder cake, you get the same taste. So no new products are formed. Only thing, it can change its texture, appearance. That's all. Okay.
Boiled water to simple water.
Yeah. That's it. Okay, children. So these are the properties of a physical change. Physical change is these kind of things are physical change. Now we are moving on to the chemical change. Same thing we have already studied. So features of chemical change.
Ma'am.
First point, only chemical properties. Chemical properties such as taste, color, smell. You know the smell of a very good egg fry and the raw egg. Okay, raw egg make into bullseye or roasted. Yeah, it changes.
Ma'am.
The chicken curry and chicken fry, you have the same smell? No.
Ma'am.
So, yeah,
The change in the temperature can be known as
change in
the chemical.
temperature can be known as physical. Okay, temperature is not a chemical, it's a physical property.
Then
That's
weather.
why, yeah, temperature is the physical change, increasing and decreasing. Because temperature 100 degree you get and you can cool down to 0 also. Correct? That's why.
Ma'am.
Reversible. Yeah?
Ma'am,
Tell me.
Weather can
boiling
be known
water.
as chemical. Weather.
Weather cannot say it's a chemical, it's a physical. Okay. Because every time we are getting a different season, no? Sometimes you feel hot, sometimes you feel cold, but same climate, same atmosphere, same place. Correct. Now no rain, so you are feeling hot. If it rains, the same place turn into things. So it's a physical appearance. Okay. Such as taste, color, smell, etc. changes through chemical reaction. It's a reaction. Physical change is not a reaction. It is not a reaction. Changes through chemical reaction.
Ma'am,
Yes.
which change is occurring when ice is changed into water?
Any? Repeat once again, Shane.
Ma'am, it was on me.
Ma'am, Dia.
Dia, tell me, Dia.
And which changes occurred when water is changed into ice?
Shape is changing. Correct? Yeah. Ice change into water. Ice was a solid form. When you turn into water, it become liquid. Then water turn into ice again, liquid to solid. So it's a
It is
physical
a
change.
physical or chemical change?
It's a physical change. We already explained, no? One of the
Okay,
feature I have written in physical change, what was that substances can transform from liquid to gas, gas to liquid. I have written that. That's why. That's a physical. It's not a chemical at all. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Then new products are formed. That is important. New products are formed. Just like
Ma'am, when burning of wood, it was solid, then it beat into this one, what, powder.
it's a powder, but it is still, it's a solid. It's a small solid. Powder is a solid. Correct. Okay. So new products are formed means once the wood is burned, you are not getting the wood back. You are getting ash. But ash is the mixture of carbon monoxide. Okay. It's a chemical substance. Okay. Similarly, when the vehicle produces the smoke, smoke is a chemical change. Fuel, petrol, diesel burning and it turn into smoke. Okay. So smoke is a new thing. It contains methane, ethane, all that. Okay. Actually, petrol contains hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. Once we started moving the vehicle, what will happen? What will happen? This
Smoke
vehicle,
comes.
yeah, smoke. Actually,
Emits
smoke is
smoke.
contain methane. Then some polluters, some poisonous gases will be there, sulfur and all. So that's what chemical. And third one is they are irreversible. Irreversible means once the smoke is come, we cannot return the petrol back. We cannot change. Irreversible means cannot change, cannot converted into original form. Acid and base mixed together. So we will not get again back acid from this into original form. Cannot convert into original form. Okay, children. So I hope you have written, you have completed writing. So I wind up the session. So actually in this chapter, main theory is this. Now what we are going to discuss is only activities. Based on activities, you will learn rusting of iron and galvanization. Very simple chapter. So main thing you have to study, identify the physical and chemical change. Okay? Yeah. Okay, children. Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome, children. Let me end this. Yeah, end the session. Wait. Some are joining there. I will end.
Bye, ma'am.